I just wanted to jump on today to talk about something I'm really passionate about, which is EMDR therapy. So EMDR, which stands for Eye Movement Desensitization and Reprocessing, which is a mouthful, is one of the sort of frontline treatments for both single incident and complex PTSD. And basically it involves using what's called bilateral stimulation, otherwise known as eye movements, to help desensitize and reprocess traumatic memory. There are a lot of different theories as to how EMDR works, but one of the most popular theories is that it engages what's known as the body's orienting response. So whilst we're engaged in the eye movements or any other kind of bilateral stimulation, we're able to essentially keep a foot in the present whilst accessing and reprocessing traumatic memory so that we don't have to relive it. EMDR is based on a theory known as the Adaptive Information Processing, or AIP model. Now, this model proposes that the brain, like the body, has an innate drive toward healing. So much like when we are injured and we get like a cut or a wound on our hand, our body will always be working towards healing that wound. But let's say that we have a splinter stuck in the wound. The splinter is almost like a representation of the traumatic memory that can't be processed. So what we want to do is essentially remove the splinter so that the memory can be reprocessed. The AIP model also argues that most of us have what we call a broader adaptive sense of self, and that traumatic memory is often encoded in sort of separate or isolated parts of the brain. And what we want to try and do is integrate that experience into our broader understanding and hopefully adaptive understanding of who we are, so that we can understand that happened to me, it happened in the past, and I'm okay now.